Protection herbs for curse breaking are very effective. Hi, I'm Melemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome back. So great to see you all. Thank you for sharing us and coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're www.yeyeo, and we're a spiritual and wellness supplier, which is why I do videos about all things spiritual. And I'm Melemi. I want to shout out, all my people from Effort, Pennsylvania. Woohoo! Welcome. Today, we're going to go over 4 easy and 1 sweet surprising thing for protection herbs that are used for curse breaking and hex banishing. So let's get started. Today I wanted to share with you, as I said before, 4 herbs and 1 really mind-blowing one that we have a video on. The first one is eucalyptus. So people sometimes see the eucalyptus plant. I also did a video on eucalyptus, its spiritual and magical uses and some health benefits. And so this is a fantastic protection herb. You can burn it, burn the incense, you can boil the water, you can bathe with it, use it as a wash, things like that. Eucalyptus is great for healing, protection, cleansing your aura, cleansing the aura of a space or the vibration of a space, and also gets rid of pesky people. And I'm sure we've all had some of those that we've gotten rid of or wanted to. So eucalyptus is great for doing washes and bathing for protection and breaking curses, because when people feel blocked, oftentimes it's negativity from the world or negativity in their own mind. And so eucalyptus is great to help to move out these vibrations. The next one, which is considered as one of the holy herbs, we also have this video, this herb in particular, that we've done a lot of work with over the years. And this one is hyssop. If you had never used hyssop, it is fantastic. It is a prayer herb. It's a blessing herb. It's for protection. It's taking off jinxes, breaking hexes. Also to attract a lust partner. That's a little sweet thing. But this particular herb in the Bible is oftentimes used with the 23rd Psalm. And we did a 23rd Psalm video that says lack for nothing. Again, you can say that prayer when you're using this herb. This herb oftentimes is not oftentimes burnt. So it's great also for medicinal purposes, for colds, sedatives, things like that, but definitely around purification and protection in one. Purification, protection, hex breaking, all in one herb. And have a little bit more lust in your life. Can't hurt with that. So that's hyssop. The next one, this is dried rosemary, but we all know about rosemary. Very hardy bush. Very strong, very aromatic, great for protection, great for cleansing, great for domination in a lot of different ways. But also it's wonderful to be used if you're doing open road and jinx breaking work, because if you're breaking a curse, then obviously the curse may be impeding your road. So now you're trying to open things up. So we have dried rosemary here. You can boil it, burn it, bathe with it. And I encourage you to bathe with it if you feel that you are cursed. So you would use like basil, rosemary. You can put hyssop with it, and you can put eucalyptus and make all 3 in a spiritual wash that you can use on the floor, on your body. So then we have here thyme, Thyme. Everyone has maybe seen this. It's very, very aromatic. It's known for courage, protection, breakthrough. Thyme has, oh my God, hundreds of wonderful, wonderful benefits. If you'd like me to do a thyme video, definitely comment below. If you'd like me to do another one, excuse me, comment below. So thyme is wonderful just by itself for hex breaking, for curse breaking, for opening your way, for being victorious, for bringing out your courage, especially when people feel that they are cursed or they have a problem like that. Sometimes if the person can feel defeated, this is to bring up your power. So now you put these two together, rosemary and thyme. Fantastic, fantastic. And then you can throw a little Florida water in there, and water makes a wonderful, wonderful, refreshing, revitalizing, and curse-breaking wash all together. And my sweet, 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 sweet thing for you today is fresh sage, right? These are fresh sage leaves that you can find in the supermarket. Not the sage that you burn. Those have been dried out. But these fresh sage leaves are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful for renewal, for cleansing, for purification. And so it's wonderful to use something like sage, thyme, and rosemary together, or just sage and thyme. So these are dried sage leaves that you can also find here in the Botanica or your local herbal store. And also sage is great for bringing up your wisdom. So sometimes when people are under curses, they feel blocked, they feel that their mind is jumbled, they feel like they don't have clarity, they're not sure what's going on, or they can't focus. Putting these two together, thyme and sage, rosemary, thyme and sage, sage and rosemary, all of these herbs I've shared with you today work and play very well together, which is why I'm showing them to you. So 4 fantastic curse-breaking herbs and a sweet thing for wisdom, clarity, purification, blessings around breaking curses. Cannot beat that. I encourage you to use them, try them, and definitely comment and tell me whichever ones you like to use and how you like to use them. And maybe we'll even make a video about it. So I shared with you some herbs that are easy to get. You can find them almost anywhere, and you can use them to manifest a change for yourself. Breakthrough, curse breaking, hex breaking, and a lot of luck and open roads. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, comment below, and give me a thumbs up because it helps us to have more videos and know what you love. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.